Welcome to another video. Here you guys can see the result of spike killer system, which is consistent making good profit for us and with sniper trading entries. Here you people see on boom and crash on all pairs. These results from our spike killer usage. Here you guys can see different withdrawals time to time we took from our real account using payment agents. As you all know, the derivative of P2P and the payment agent withdrawals and deposit. The big benefit of using derivative instant withdrawal with P2P and payment agents. Here you guys can see these withdrawals we took from our system. Let's move on system and show you the accuracy of system. Here you people see this is the screen of our system. Here we have an live signal. The market is going downward. We are holding this trade for spike. The stop loss candle 3. We are waiting for spike, and once spike appear, we close this trade in profit. Here you guys can see the power of spike killer system. It will never give always signal, but when it gives signal, definitely it will give accurate signal, guys. If you guys want to follow this signal, time to time we drop it in public group. You may join our public group on WhatsApp, on Telegram, where we drop signals, so you check the accuracy and have this system. Okay, here we are waiting for a spike. Look here, the trade is open with 5 standard lots, and we are waiting for a spike. Check the accuracy, it's live market, it's moving downward, stop loss 3 candles, we're holding this trade. The big benefit of using this system, don't need to sit in front of your computer always. Just enable the push notification. The system will send you the notification of buy and sell on your mobile phone. Get the alert, open the trade, make profit, enjoy the money. How to have this system? Simply check the description, chat with us, and also our username of Telegram is on screen. You guys may type and chat with us. Our team will help you to have this system and set up correctly on your PC and enable the mobile notification so you don't miss any trade. Results are 99%. Look here, guys, a big spike just appeared. This is the benefit, this is the power, this is the perfect view of our system. If you guys want to have this system, check the description, chat with us. Thanks for watching. Best of luck, guys.